what's up? So I'm very excited because this is like the first vlog into summer. So I have a few like big projects I'm just trying to get done, and one of the big things is that my room, I want to make sure it's like completely 100% me and done and finished, and every little thing about it is just like complete. We have a ton of family coming in this week for my brother's graduation, which is next weekend. Today has been a crazy day of running around, going everywhere, all over, and getting stuff in preparation for the party. So I was at TJ Maxx and I picked up a few different things for my bed. I'm gonna go through a few things, plan and organize for the rest of the month. A while back when I originally deep cleaned my room, I told you guys I was having like a garage sale. So everything that didn't sell, which I sold quite a bit of things, but there are a ton of stuff that didn't sell too. You guys had a ton of comments and recommendations on my last video to make a Poshmark and sell them all on Poshmark because you guys might be interested in it. So if you guys want to check any of these clothing pieces out, I am going to show you guys a few pieces. I made a Poshmark, and I actually have been using Poshmark for a long time, but I'm going to put a ton of these back up there and get it running again for you guys. I want to give a big thank you to Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. I never thought that would happen. I've been using Poshmark, I'm not even joking to you guys, for like years now, and to be sponsored by them is insane. So thank you, Poshmark, for reaching out to me and offering to sponsor today's video. I'm not here to scam you guys or anything, so if you guys want cheap clothing I've worn for really, really cheap, mostly everything's gonna be like under 10 bucks. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to check out my Poshmark down below. I have a ton of bikinis here that you guys might like. These are like worn maybe twice from Victoria's Secret Pink. I think they're really cute. And then I have like a ton of tank tops. So here's one. I have this one from American Eagle. This one's from PacSun. A few more from American Eagle. I have like 4 different like sweatshirts and stuff if you guys are interested in Victoria's Secret Pink. Alright, so I'm trying on some of my pieces that I have. I want to show you guys a few of them. This one is super cute. I just never wear it. It was actually really expensive. It was like 60 bucks for this striped shirt. It's super cute. I love the material of it and everything. This is another sweater. This one was from PacSun from the brand Meetawee. It's really cute and knit. It's perfect for the fall time and the winter time. This is another piece that I think is literally stunning. I never had a place to wear it, as you could tell, because it still has the freaking tag on it. That's how bad I am. It's from Forever 21. So this one is one of my faves. I love it, and it's gonna be so hard to give this up. It just brings me back to like middle school me, and I love it, and it's just sad. It's a part of me. I will be selling this if you guys are interested. Also, I'm selling this pink hoodie, which is super cute. I'm selling this one, and it's like light teal. This one does have a tiny little stain on it. So with that being said, I am wrapping up doing all of my little like Poshmark stuff right now. I have a ton of new cute things on my Poshmark if you guys want to go check it out. My username is @MayaSummers01. I will leave that right here and also in the description down below. You guys can click the link down below and shop my closet @MayaSummers01. And all the stuff, I promise you guys, it's really cheap. I'm just trying to get it out of my house. Poshmark is a perfect way to just get rid of a ton of your stuff and also make a little extra money on the side for people that actually really want your stuff. No pressure, but the app is free. You guys could download it with the link down below and make your own accounts, and you guys can also leave your handles down below because if other people want to shop your closet. Let's get continuing to cleaning my room, getting rid of a ton of stuff. I'm able to get rid of all of my school stuff now. I'm also probably just going to donate that stuff. Also keep it here in case we ever need it. My sister is still in school, so trying to declutter and make my room presentable and nice and neat and clean. So we're gonna clean my room, just reorganizing a little bit. As you guys can see, I got a few new pillows and stuff like that. This is all in preparation for my room tour that's coming. Stay tuned for that, guys. So I may as well give you guys a little bit of an overview of what my room looks like right now compared to what it's gonna look like at the end. So this is the before. I am planning on getting rid of this entire rack. I want to put something else right here. I'm thinking like, I don't know, maybe a beanbag or a chair or something, but I want to put something else right here. But for now, it has all my Poshmark clothing on there. I have this pile of stuff. I'm getting rid of these pillows. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them yet. All of this stuff I'm getting rid of. I still don't know what I'm gonna do with this makeup because I don't wanna give this to you guys because I don't know if that's like sanitary or not, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. Now I'm getting a trash bag because I am going to separate stuff that I know just like I'm gonna take to Goodwill. And I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I know I am. I'm gonna separate them into stuff I'm just gonna keep and hold off until you guys might buy them. And I'm going to put stuff in a Goodwill pile. I'm gonna go through all of my like school stuff and my books, my backpack, and throw away what I don't need and recycle what I can use again.
See, I don't think there's anything important in here.
Mom, do you like want me to, for my school stuff, like do you want me to recycle some stuff? Oh no. Could you guys see me with a little dog? I know I just cleaned my closet not too long ago, but it's already messy again. I need to go up here, put these back, because I just got lazy and never actually put the stuff back when I took it out. Also, my dad, he just hung up my jersey from high school. Okay guys, so I just got home from TJ Maxx, out shopping for the day and stuff, because we have so much stuff to get done before everyone comes in town. It was time for new pillows. They had holes in them and they were like, the feathers were coming out everywhere, so we got new pillows, which are so nice. So we got these pillows, come in a set of 2. I'm gonna take one of these out. These are just all clean ones because the other ones have been used for like years. So these are new clean ones that I'm gonna put all these pillowcases on, which are all the same white ones. They're just very clean and I'm putting my new comforter on. This one I just got. It's just a white comforter, but I'm gonna get a duvet to put over it, just like a white clean duvet. Put that on there. And this was my old blanket. I've literally had this for 2 years, but I use it literally all the time, and you could just tell it's very, very worn out, and it's been through so many animals, and it's just stained and dirty, and it was time for a new one. Look, that's so gross, but these are like all stains and they would not come out. This one I got is super soft and white. Hi guys. I'm having the hardest time right now deciding what I want. I'm at TJ Maxx. This is so last minute. It's 8 o'clock at night. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm here. Okay, so I found this blanket that would look super cute with the pillow that I bought the other day. But I also have this, which is like a carpet that I could put. It's just so cute. I don't know. This would be cute to layer it and put some texture in there on my bed, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what to do, guys. I think I might just like buy it all and bring it home and see what it looks like and figure it out then. But I'm sure it will all look really cute. Just like look at all this stuff. Look how comfortable and cozy all this stuff looks. Like I think I'm definitely getting this, and I'm definitely getting one of these. I just don't know which one. If I want the pink to contrast with the pillow, or if I want the gray for more like texture. Like I don't know. I really don't know, so we're gonna have to see. But this is also final sale, so if I buy it, I can't return it if I don't like it. All right, I finally decided what I'm gonna get. This, I really hope this works. Oh my gosh, I've literally been in here for so long. This is everything that I got. I think it looks so cute. So I got this pillow, and then I got this new blanket. I got this today too. I also got this. I think I might return it. I had different expectations. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger. just vacuumed my floor so it's looking very clean. Hi, little pup. I love it when it's like freshly vacuumed. Like you could just see all like the lines. I don't know, I really like it, so. There we go. I just cleaned my bed, did all my sheets and everything like that. So I don't want to go too in detail on everything on what I'm doing to my room right now. Just know I'm very like in the process of deep cleaning, getting rid of things, and getting new staple pieces that I can have for college, after college, and stuff like that that I can bring with me, like my first apartment or house or whatever. Just very simple, clean items that will last me forever. Don't want to go too much in detail because I really want to do a room tour and a full video on where everything is from. But this is just the process of redecorating my room. The last deep cleaning video was the process of cleaning my room. This is the process of redecorating and cleaning. I actually put this whole thing together yesterday. It was very spontaneous. You guys knew that I wanted to get like a chair or something here, but I took out the clothing rack and I'm not done. I have an idea of what I want to do for this, but I just put a few things on there that maybe can give me a few ideas. I think we're coming to a close on this video actually. Everything is pretty much coming together and is pretty done. I've cleaned as much as I can. I think all I need to do left is just wipe down the countertops and do the windows and the mirrors and stuff. So let's do that really quickly and we'll be done with this video. So that is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the part 2 of not only deep cleaning my room, but completely, this was so last minute and random, reorganizing and buying way too much new stuff to redecorate my room. It's a fun project for me and I love it. Cleaning out my closet and doing all of that was so much fun. Thank you guys so much, Poshmark, because I've already listed a few things on here. This video isn't public yet, obviously, until you guys are seeing this. But I've already made a few sales on Poshmark. It's so easy to sell your stuff on Poshmark, and I delivered it the next day. It was so easy. They already have your pre-packaged like shipping label. All you have to do is drop it off at the post office and they can handle everything for you. It's so easy to use. I've personally bought a ton of stuff off Poshmark before, especially like high-end products. I know they sell like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, like Michael Kors, PacSun, Free People. They pretty much sell everything, Vans, Uggs. So it's super cool, super easy, and I love the app. And I honestly, from the bottom of my heart, guys, I have been using this app for probably 4 summers now. Don't forget to check out my Poshmark down below if you guys want to check out anything in my closet. I will leave all the Poshmark information down below where you guys can download the app for free. Go download Poshmark down below. Also, you can subscribe down below because we just hit 33,000, which is insane. I love you guys. That's pretty much it. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Say bye, guys. Bye. Bye, guys. Love you.